Imagine walking into a home where the kitchen and dining room flow together effortlessly, creating a space that feels bright, spacious, and beautifully designed. In 2026, open-plan living continues to define modern luxury, combining everyday functionality with timeless elegance. Whether you're renovating your home or simply looking for fresh inspiration, these stunning kitchen and dining room combo ideas will help you create a designer look that feels both welcoming and expensive. Let's explore the latest trends transforming open-concept homes this year. The defining architectural shift for 2026 is the transition from open-plan to unified living. Designers are no longer merely removing walls, they are erasing visual boundaries through the use of continuous flooring, such as wide plank European oak or large-format porcelain tiles, that runs uninterrupted from the culinary zone into the dining and living areas. This great room evolution relies on hidden appliances and cabinetry that mimics high-end furniture, ensuring the kitchen does not look like a utility space but rather an extension of the home's social heart. 2. The 2026 color palette, organic sophistication. The shift toward warm neutrals represents a move away from the stark, clinical grays of the previous decade. Warm white and creamy beige, these serve as the foundation, designed to catch and diffuse natural sunlight to make spaces feel larger. Taupe and light grayish, these midtones provide depth without darkening the room, acting as a bridge between wood accents and stone surfaces. Natural oak, used primarily in cabinetry and ceiling beams, it introduces a biophilic element that grounds the high-end finishes with organic warmth. 3. The multifunctional command center, the 2026 island. The kitchen island has evolved into a superstation that balances heavy-duty utility with social elegance. Waterfall edge countertops. By extending quartz or marble slabs down the vertical sides of the island, designers create a monolithic, sculptural look that highlights the natural veining of the stone. Social ergonomics. Modern islands now feature tiered heights or cantilevered seating areas, allowing guests to sit comfortably without interfering with the chef's workspace. Integrated technology. Expect to see invisible induction cooktops built directly into the stone surface and pop-up charging ports to accommodate remote work and digital recipe browsing. 4. Advanced storage and minimalist engineering. To maintain the clutter-free aesthetic essential to 2026 trends, storage has become highly specialized and invisible. Appliance garages. Deep cabinets with pocket doors house coffee stations, toasters, and blenders, keeping them accessible but hidden when not in use. Integrated cabinetry. Refrigerators and dishwashers are fitted with custom panels that match the surrounding woodwork, creating a seamless wall of cabinetry. Internal organization. Drawer-within-drawer systems and magnetic dividers ensure that every utensil and spice jar has a dedicated, hidden location. 5. Architectural lighting as a focal point. Lighting in 2026 is treated as jewelry for the home. Statement pendants, oversized, hand-blown glass or brushed brass fixtures are positioned in odd numbers, usually 3, over the island to create a vertical anchor in the room. Layered illumination. Beyond the central pendants, designers use recessed toe-kick lighting for a floating effect and integrated LED strips inside glass-fronted cabinets to add a soft, ambient glow during evening hours. Smart systems. Circadian rhythm lighting is becoming standard, where the color temperature of the kitchen lights automatically shifts from a bright, energizing blue-white in the morning to a warm, dim amber in the evening. The evolution of high-end kitchen and dining room design in 2026 centers on a sophisticated interplay between technical precision and organic warmth. To achieve a truly premium atmosphere, lighting and material selection must move beyond mere functionality to become the architectural backbone of the home. The science of layered lighting. Modern luxury is defined by the transition from singular light sources to a comprehensive 4-layer lighting strategy. Ambient lighting, subtle recessed ceiling lights, often with quiet apertures to minimize glare, provide a base level of illumination. In 2026, these are integrated with smart home systems that automatically adjust brightness and color temperature based on the time of day, mimicking natural circadian rhythms. Task lighting, high output, flicker-free LED strips mounted under cabinetry and inside deep drawers ensure precision during food preparation. The focus is on high color rendering index (CRI) values 90+, ensuring that food colors appear vibrant and natural. Accent lighting. This layer highlights architectural features, such as toe-kick lighting that makes islands appear to float, or directional spotlights aimed at curated artwork or textured backsplashes. Decorative/statement lighting. Over-island pendants and dining chandeliers serve as the jewelry of the room. Oversized, sculptural forms made of hand-blown glass, alabaster, or forged metals create a focal point that anchors the two distinct zones of the combo room. The warmth factor. The industry has shifted decisively away from the clinical 4000K to 5000K cool tones. Premium interiors now utilize warm dim technology, which shifts from a crisp 3000K for daytime tasks to a candlelight 2200K for evening entertaining, fostering an intimate, restaurant-grade ambience. Materiality and the new organic modernism. The 2026 aesthetic rejects the sterile minimalism of previous decades in favor of tactile luxury. This approach prioritizes materials that offer sensory depth. Rich wood cabinetry, darker, character-filled woods like walnut, rifts on white oak, and stained ash are being used in full-height cabinetry. Techniques such as fluting or reeding add vertical texture that catches the light. Textured stone surfaces. While polished marble remains a classic, there is a growing preference for leathered or honed finishes on quartzite and calcites. These matte finishes are more forgiving of daily use and provide a soft, velvet-like touch. Mixed metal finishes. The all-matching look is obsolete. High-end designs now mix brushed brass with matte black or champagne bronze with polished nickel. This creates a curated, evolved over time feeling rather than a showroom kit appearance. Artisanal accents, handcrafted ceramic backsplashes with slight glaze variations and woven rattan or seagrass elements in seating and decor break up the hard lines of appliances. This juxtaposition of sleek, integrated smart appliances, and organic, hand-hewn wood and stone, creates a balanced, timeless environment that feels both sophisticated and lived in. By synthesizing these elements, the kitchen-dining combo transcends its utility, becoming a cohesive sanctuary designed for both high-performance culinary work and high-comfort social engagement. In an open-plan layout, furniture selection serves as the critical bridge between the functional kitchen and the living area. Selecting dining tables crafted from solid white oak or walnut provides a grounded, organic foundation that balances industrial kitchen elements. When paired with chairs upholstered in high-performance linen or high-pile boucle, the tactile contrast adds a layer of sensory luxury. The shift toward curvilinear silhouettes, such as pill-shaped tables or arched chair backs, serves a strategic psychological purpose. It breaks the rigid, rectilinear geometry of cabinetry and islands, fostering a flow that encourages social interaction and visual ease. Storage solutions in high-end interiors have evolved into a discipline of invisible engineering. Floor-to-ceiling millwork, often designed with handle-less push-to-open mechanisms or recessed finger pulls, transforms storage into an architectural feature rather than a mere utility. This maximizes vertical cubic footage while maintaining a monolithic, clean aesthetic. The hidden kitchen concept is further realized through integrated refrigeration and dishwasher panels that match the cabinetry perfectly. Specialized appliance garages with pocket doors allow high-use items like espresso machines and stand mixers to remain plugged in and accessible, yet entirely concealed when not in use. This commitment to zero-clutter surfaces redirects the viewer's focus toward the quality of the materials and the overall volume of the space. The backsplash has transitioned from a utilitarian splash guard to the primary vertical focal point of the kitchen. Utilizing book-matched marble slabs or continuous large-format porcelain panels creates a seamless, high-impact appearance that eliminates the visual noise of traditional grout lines. For designs requiring more texture, handmade zellage or glazed ceramic tiles offer organic imperfections that catch and refract light, adding depth to the wall. By extending these materials all the way to the ceiling and wrapping them around architectural features like range hoods or window frames, the room's vertical axis is emphasized. This technique draws the eye upward, creating an illusion of grander proportions and a more sophisticated, custom-built environment. Another trend gaining popularity is creating stronger visual connections between indoor and outdoor living. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and abundant natural light help blur the boundaries between the home and the garden. Adding indoor plants, fresh flowers, and natural greenery further enhances this connection while bringing warmth and life into the space. Decorative styling is becoming more intentional and curated. Instead of overcrowding shelves, designers are selecting a few meaningful accessories that complement the overall design. Sculptural vases, elegant bowls, wooden cutting boards, premium cookbooks, candles, and fresh fruit displays create a lived-in yet sophisticated atmosphere that feels effortlessly stylish. Contrast is another design element that adds depth without overwhelming the room. Dark kitchen islands paired with lighter cabinetry, black fixtures against warm neutral backgrounds, or natural wood combined with stone surfaces create visual balance and make the overall design feel professionally curated. Comfort is just as important as beauty. Open-plan spaces are being designed to encourage conversation and connection. Comfortable seating, spacious walkways, and thoughtful furniture placement ensure the kitchen and dining room remain practical for everyday living while still looking like something out of a luxury interior design magazine. Technology also plays an increasingly important role in modern kitchens. Integrated smart appliances, touchless faucets, hidden charging stations, energy-efficient lighting, and seamless built-in ventilation systems improve convenience without disrupting the elegant aesthetic. The best luxury spaces combine beautiful design with effortless functionality. Finally, remember that creating an expensive-looking kitchen and dining room isn't about spending the most money, it's about thoughtful design choices. A cohesive color palette, quality materials, layered lighting, timeless furniture, and carefully selected decorative accents can transform almost any open-plan space into one that feels refined, comfortable, and inviting. We hope these 2026 kitchen and dining room combo ideas have inspired your next home project. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or making a few stylish updates, these design trends can help you create a space that looks elegant, functions beautifully, and stands the test of time. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more luxury home decor and interior design inspiration, and let us know in the comments which kitchen and dining room design was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.